Ippolito's Econ students. This is Mr. Ippolito giving you a quick tutorial, once again, just really a review of how to create a spreadsheet in Google Docs and Google Drive. Google Docs and Google Drive is the exact same thing, so whether you go to docs.google.com or drive.google.com, you're going to get the exact same login screen. First thing you want to do, if you do not yet have a Gmail account or any kind of Google Docs account at all, no Google account, you're going to want to go to sign up in the upper right hand corner first. You're going to fill that out. If you already have an account, or once you have created an account, you're going to go ahead and fill in your username and password, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to get your go to your screen. Now this is my account. You'll see that I've created lots of stuff. Yours, if you're just starting out, it might be close to empty or just have a few files in there. We're going to go to Create and go to Spreadsheet. Now, just like I instructed you in class today, the very first thing you want to do is rename your file. So you want to call that either period 3 or period 5, depending on which econ class you're in. I'll just go ahead and choose period 3, and then you're going to call it million. All right, every student I like to put million on there because it's our $1 million project. And then your first and last name, so let's call this John Smith. We're going to click OK, and now you'll see the file name appear there. All right, so the very first thing I want you to put is item, and then that's going to be followed by the cost or the price. You can put either one. Number of units or quantity. Let's just do quantity. I think I did it a couple different ways in different classes. Quantity, and then unit cost, total cost, and then we're going to put where. In other words, where can we find this? Let me go ahead. I'm going to make this font size a little bit bigger. And I'm also going to make the where bar a little bit longer because we're going to be putting URLs in here. So just a couple of quick examples. Let's say that I want to buy a brand new iPod Touch. I only want one of them, and let's find out where iPod Touch, where we could find that on sale. I could even go to Google Shopping if I wanted to, and you know what? I want a 64 gig iPod Touch. I'm going to go ahead and copy this. I see it's $399, so I'm going to go in here. Unit cost is $399, and the total cost is also $399. And that's where I can find it, right there in Google Shopping. Good. I'm also going to highlight this bar here and just make it bold up at the top, just because I think it looks better that way. If you want, you could even make this where bar a little bit longer. Again, just so we try not to have it spill over into two different rows. If you want to, it's not a big deal. Or you know what? Actually, what we'll do is I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to just make it real small. That looks good. Okay, the next item, I'll put one more item in here. Let's say I want a beach condo. No, let's go for beach house in Malibu. And I'll make this column just a little bit bigger. There we go. Malibu real estate. Oh, real estate. All right. And wow, I'm definitely not going to pay $57 million. I only have $1 million to spend. So let's go with something a little bit more affordable. And you know what? This is Paradise Cove. This is next to one of my favorite restaurants. So I'm going to go ahead and click there. I know it's close to the ocean. And so that's $395,000. Excellent. I'm going to take that. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to put this right in here. I want one. And that's $395,000. And so the total cost again is $395,000. Now, one of the things that I could do is I could make this total cost. I could make this. I turn this into a formula if I wanted to. I can go equal sign this times. It's going to be the asterisk key times this and hit enter. And now what I could do when I take this, I could grab this little corner box right here and drag it all the way down. And let's say that let's pick one more thing. I would like What's the name of one item that I would like? Let's go ahead and I would like a 54-inch flat screen TV. All right, so let's go with this one here. What the heck, we'll go shopping at Sears. Oh, this is great. I want 3 of these for my classroom. So it's $21.99.99. I'm going to copy this, go right in here. $21.99.99. There are 3 of them, and look at this. Notice how the calculation, it automatically calculates. You don't have to do that, but it's just kind of a cool feature and something I wanted to teach you how to do in a spreadsheet. So I want, what was that, 55-inch flat screen TVs. Excellent. Now, I'm going to continue working on this, but I'm not going to take up that much more of your time. I do want to go down here to the bottom, and I want to click the function key. This is the sigma button here, and go to sum, and I want the sum of all of these items. Make sure I add up all of these here until I get right to the very, I don't want to include box D27. If I do, it's going to give me an error. So I just want that much. I also, another final touch is I want to highlight this, and I want to go to Format, Number. I want to make them all currency values. And let's go ahead and highlight this also. Make this currency values as well. And I'm going to do that. I'll just put total right here. Maybe put a little arrow there. Make that bold. And there you go. You want to get this total as close to but not exceeding $1 million as possible. And we're going to share some of these the next time I see you on Thursday. So I'll look forward to seeing you on Thursday. That is how you create a spreadsheet using Google Docs or Google Drive spreadsheets. So if you have any questions, come see me in room 405, or you can contact me. You know multiple ways of electronically contacting me. Otherwise, I'll look forward to seeing your $1 million project when I see you on Thursday. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.